got a haircut. Yeah.
Guess who's filming in the middle of the woods?
Oh, sweet.
What was I gonna say? Welcome back to my channel, guys. I don't know why I'm filming out here. I guess.
If a bear comes and eats me, it's all on you guys. Just saying.
Well, anyways, today we're gonna be talking about the wonderfulness of nature.
Oh, that failed.
Nature is so beautiful. There's trees and animals and leaves and ticks and coldness and wind and dirt. Dirt's pretty beautiful. I am not demonstrating.
Which is why kids need to go outside more today. Make your grandma force you or something. That's what my grandma did.
Nature's just so beautiful, you can make a music video in the background or anywhere in nature. Wow, I'm not making sense today. My hands are freezing. What was that? Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel so that you can see me do more nature videos and risk my life. Yeah, it's getting colder out here. If I lose my fingers, I'm... Okay. All right. Bye.